charging system light. This light will come on briefly when the ignition is turned on, and the engine is not running, as a check to show it is working. It should go out when the engine is started. If it stays on, or comes on while driving, there may be a problem with the electrical charging system. Have it checked by your dealer. Driving while this light is on could drain the battery. If a short distance must be driven with the light on, turn off all accessories, such as the radio and air conditioner, to help reduce the drain on the battery.